Hey, what's up, traders? Mike here. This is the watch list video for Thursday, July 28th. The SPY kind of a little mini breakout today, post FOMC announcement. I'll show you. You can tell when the FOMC happened. You get the choppiness, and then it finally ended up ripping. So really strong market. The SPY back up over 400 when it was over here. We kept talking about how it kept going above and below 400, and then I thought it wouldn't see it for a while. Next thing you know, we're right back there. So. Pretty impressive strength in the overall market. I generally don't like trading on FOMC days, but today I'm glad I showed up. The star of the day would be HKD. I might have a screenshot. There it is. I found it. HKD, there's Wayne's post. HKD, similar to yesterday, basically talking about a nibble at 60 and then an add at 62. You can see the 60 break. By the way, I took the screenshot like 10, 15 minutes later. HKD ended up going to like 80 bucks without ever even looking back over his shoulder at the 60 idea. You can see other people kind of putting reminders in the room. I love the teamwork in the room. Amazing call. And then there's the daily on it. So we will watch that one tomorrow. And the slower one, but still worked, AEHR. I just had on Bounce Watch. And when it looked something like this, I said over the high of days, basically a 2-day high break, because there's yesterday's high, which is one kind of entry we look for if it's on our watch list already, and this one was. So the break at 1072 ended up getting you a nice close all the way up to 1150 maybe. So that was kind of a neat little trade today. It took longer to work than that HKD, that's for sure. So all right, anyway, what are we watching for tomorrow? TEVA, big breakout today. I guess a settlement. They have a settlement on the opioid thing, and it closed really strong, so we'll watch that one tomorrow. PayPal is curling up, kind of breaking out over over the recent highs, but kind of an ugly daily chart. ENPH broke out today on earnings. See if it has any kind of follow through in it. HKD, I already talked about this one. Certainly extended, right? This thing was under 15 bucks when it IPO'd, and now it hit 80. So do I think it should be traded tomorrow? Probably not up in this area. I'd love to see it come in for a couple days. Just like back here, we came in and then had 2 days in a row where it was called in the chat room. Again, love the teamwork. Let me zoom in a little bit here. VRAX, I want to say it's monkeypox detection kits or something, but it's only been trading for like a week. And it's been putting in really good range these days. It's a lower volume stock, so be aware of that with your position size if it triggers at all. But we'll see if it gives us a setup tomorrow. All right, today was an inside day. AEHR, already talked about this one. We got the bounce in it today. Well, a strong close, had a big move back here, 3 days down, curling back up. Maybe it's going to continue higher now. So if we get an A+ setup, certainly put some money to work on that one. IFRX had the big rip yesterday. Inside day today, looking for a 3rd day play. VERU was on Bounce Watch. I actually took a Tokyo in this one. I don't know how many in chat. I was able to get in it before the high of day break, that volume. And I think my best sell was around 70, but I already had it on watch, so I saw the volume coming in out of the corner of my eye. Anyway, so we had that rip, and then it kind of went sideways the rest of the day. But you had this kind of little mini daily hammer candle now. We're going to keep our eyes on that one tomorrow. And then a couple potential gappers tomorrow. ETSY, which, man, did I miss a second mouse through 100 in after hours. But anyway, it's trading at 107.75 right now. The most recent high would be 102.12 right there. They had earnings after hours, and it absolutely ripped in after hours. So went up over 110 at one point. Again, right now it's trading around 108-ish. So that's a potential gapper tomorrow. And JAKK closed at 1708. As I'm talking, it's trading at $22. I'm not sure if they had earnings or something, but that's a lower float stock. So we'll keep our eyes on that one if it's still gapping in the morning as well. All right, I'm going to keep it short and sweet, and we'll see you guys in chat in the morning.